No, the fan is fine.
Push the door?
Probably. Hey everybody, welcome back to another Gunpla unboxing. As you can probably see from the backdrop, I'm not in my usual place. I'm at my buddy's again because we did a split order. Let's go through his stuff first and then we'll go through mine. I don't actually have that much stuff, so this probably isn't going to be too long, hopefully. Starting off with the high-grade gun tank. I know there's a lot of noise right now. Hopefully it doesn't show up too much in the mic. I'll try and fix it in post. Whatever, not a big deal. I've already reviewed this, so rather than open it up, I'm just going to link to that. Another kit with the same thing is the Zagaki. I reviewed this forever ago, and I'll just link to that rather than unbox it. And finally, 4 kits that I've already reviewed. The high-grade Jagan. My friend got 2 of these. I'll put the review up in the usual cards. Finally starting in on new kits. The Gym Cold Districts. My buddy got a couple of these. I'm looking forward to seeing what these are like. That's a much different red than I was expecting. Wow, that is like burgundy. Gray is nice, that gray is nice. Visor's a separate piece, thank God. Some joints and the rifle. Feet parts. The head there. This thing really doesn't have that many parts to it, to be honest. Doesn't really look bad, just doesn't look great. Next up we have the high-grade Gundam Ground Type Revive 3, because that's how many are on OFMS. The eyes are kind of a milky green color. That's weird. There's the backpack parts there. Most of these parts are pretty similar to the Ground Gym. This is a different runner because it has some different parts there. Pretty sure this runner is literally reused. This runner is new, but looks like they reused the engineering for some of the parts. And we got the chest and the red parts, the yellow parts, so on and so forth. I have looked at the Ground Gym already, and it looks good. It's a good kit, so I'm assuming this one's good too. Alright, finally for my friend's kits, we've got the Gundam Alex. Seams on this aren't amazing, but that doesn't look too bad, at least. Bright white. Blue looks nice, stickers aren't too bad. The frame is a really blue-purple. That's kind of interesting, but I'm sure it looks fine. Alright, and moving on to the kits that I got, starting off with the high-grade Gym Sniper 2, because I actually really wanted this, and I haven't been able to get it for a long-ass time. I managed to snag one, and they sold out pretty much instantly. I'm going to have to paint the green on the rifle, but everything else is pretty much color separated. There's the little, the mobile worker, I guess. This blue is different than usual, but it's nice. Got some more parts there. That's very much a different shade compared to what's on it. It's sort of a bright red in the pictures. This is more of a dark Sazabi red, which is fine. Looks good. I just didn't expect that color. There's the head and I'm going to assume the scope for the rifle. Interesting that's separated. I do feel like they could have included a little green runner for the rifle, but... or at least molded the rifle in green, but whatever. Not a big deal. And finally, the final kit. The high-grade Barzan, because I've been wanting this for a while, and it finally came back in stock. Unfortunately, the box got really badly damaged in transit, because Pat switched to UPS. I don't really have good experiences with them, but if it's cheaper, whatever, I guess, I can probably get that massive bend out. Wow, that's a lot of parts. This is such a interesting design. I love the Zeta Barzan. I like it a lot more than the Advanced Zeta one, which is just a Barzan torso with Gundam Mark II limbs. It looks lame. Well, the Mono Eye is actually a separate piece. Fair enough. Beam Sabers are more updated ones. Yellow Runner, which is a sort of a mustardy yellow. And that would be the black. Well, not black, but really dark gray. Alright, anyway, let me get these all together and I'll wrap up the video. Well, it's one of each anyway. There's not a ton of room here to actually fit them all in. I'm really looking forward to seeing how some of these shape up. Obviously, I'm very excited for mine, but some of the ones my friend got are really interesting too, so let me know what ones you're looking forward to. Go watch the reviews of the ones I've already built myself. Subscribe and hit the bell to be alerted when I get around to reviewing these. And, as always, until next time, happy building.